Are super unique. These are shampoo and conditioner, but in bar form. I've never seen anything like that, and they smell so good. And I'm going to use them to see what I like on them. So while I'm washing my daughter's hair with this magical soap, I am just amazed at how soft her hair is feeling. And again, like I said, its soap smells so good, but it had her hair feeling like silk. And as I told you guys before, I am a professional hairstylist. Been doing hair my entire life for over, what, now 16 years? Maybe longer, 18 years. Anywho, I've never felt soap do this to anyone's hair, any of my clients' hair, and especially along combating this Arizona's water. And as you guys can see, her curls is literally popping with the shampoo process, which is what you want. This is the conditioner bar. Again, feels like silk. And I was a little leery about this. I'm like, how is a bar of soap going to make your hair, soap up and actually get you a good wash? But it does. This stuff blew my mind. Yeah, this literally blew my mind. I've used some of the most organic, some of the most high-end soaps. Like I said, I've been doing hair professionally for years. Never felt nothing like this. Your hair feels like silk. And so, yeah, I'm going to show you guys just how shiny and healthy her hair look at the end. So right here, you can see the shine and just how soft her curls are looking and just how they're popping. They look so hydrated. I'm going to add S means soap, of course, and then they got C for conditioner. So I'm going to actually store these in their own little separate Ziploc bags. But of course, I think this is good to have in your personal shower if you want to use them every day. But we don't wash our hair every day at all. But yeah, these just blew my mind. Feel like silk, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
That's crazy. Look how good your curls is like popping. Link is in this video. Go ahead and add that to y'all cart, because this is awesome.